What do you think about this, babe?
They have a lifetime warranty.
Wow.
Gordon Ramsay uses.
Are you so excited?
Because whenever I looked up online, it said, what pots and pans does Gordon Ramsay use? It says heck Clad. But that's the ones I want. Nice. If I could cook with the box, I would. It looks so good.
Very fancy. What's the first thing you're gonna cook?
Ooh.
Any ideas?
Well, it'll probably actually be eggs in the morning.
I think that's a great way to test a pan, honestly.
Yes.
If it makes a good egg.
That's right.
They look pretty sturdy.
They feel very sturdy. Even the lid. Feel the lid. Grab the lid. Thank you
Ooh.
for holding that.
It's heavy. And the lids are oven safe too?
Up to 400 degrees, the pans are oven safe. Up to 500. Bring them in the bag. This time they just gave us the bags.
Hey, at least they didn't skimp on the bags. Pretty. You gonna send them to your friends?
No, I'm not. Probably, yeah, probably will.